Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing can't open Messenger app problem? So if you are facing the issue, then please follow me till the end. So first of all, we will go to Play Store. Let's find Play Store option in the phone. So let's surface it and find Play Store. So you can see the Play Store is here. Tap on it, search Messenger, update if it is available here. Either go back, go to phone settings, let's find it, tap on it, tap on settings, find apps, tap on it, tap on app management, search Messenger. You can see here, tap on force stop, now tap on storage usage, now tap on clear cache, do it and click on clear data. Delete. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So be careful about deleting. If you're not sure to delete, then please don't do either. You have to read this message and you can delete. After doing this process, your problem will be resolved. So you have to follow the process. So after doing this, go back, restart the phone, now your problem will be resolved. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.